how to log into your Atom bank account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Atom is installed on your phone, and after making sure it is installed, you can simply open the application. And after opening the application, what you're going to do is make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your bank account. Then after doing that, here all you need to do is add in all of your credentials of your Atom bank account. So like I said, there's no further very complicated process. All you need to do is first of all agree to all of the terms and conditions. Simply select that and tap on OK. Then you can tap on the option existing customer login, and then from there you can simply request a login code, or you can, if you already have your login code, you can tap on the option I already have a login code and enter your login code, then tap on continue, and you'll be able to log into your account, right? So if you want to request a login code, you can tap on that one, and in here you'll need to enter your email address right here, then tap on continue, and you will actually be getting the login code on your email address. Simply write that down like previous, and then from there, that's all you need to do. Like that, you'll actually be logged into your Atom bank account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have some further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.